Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, Afar, and Tigray region is that the latest reports about the ongoing war in Amhara and Afar region are being received, which I will share with you in this video. In the previous video, if you remember, I informed you that dozens of reports are being received from Tigray supporters that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered the Dessie city and have gained control of the Dessie. But there have been reports from several reliable sources that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have managed to enter some of the areas of the Dessie city, while soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces are still in many areas of Dessie, and Dessie city is still under the control of Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces. Viewers, the latest reports are being received that Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers are now preparing to get out of the Dessie because Tigray Defense Force soldiers are now at the door of Dessie, and Dessie city is a big city in terms of population, and soldiers of the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces will never want any heavy fighting inside the Dessie city. So, of course, according to several senior journalists, the soldiers of the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces will leave the Dessie because all the valuables in the Dessie and the money in the banks have been transferred to Ethiopia's capital Addis Ababa by the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces. Viewers, and the traffic in the Dessie is also closed at this time. So at this time, reports are being received that soldiers from Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces will enter Kombolcha from Dessie and will prevent Tigray Defense Force from moving towards Kombolcha. But the information so far about Dessie and Kombolcha is that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have reached some areas of Dessie, but Dessie is still under the control of Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces. Viewers, now a statement is given by Tigray Defense Force Central Command. In this statement, Tigray Defense Force Central Command claimed that the Tigray Defense Force has put a lot of pressure on the Amhara region to capture Gondar. Sensitive reports from the Tigray Defense Force Central Command over the ongoing war in Ethiopia is that from 14 September to 17 October, the Tigray Defense Force carried out successfully military operations against the Ethiopian army and Fano forces in Amhara and Afar region. And Tigray Defense Force killed 895 soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies, more than 5,660 soldiers wounded, and thousands of soldiers captured by Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, according to Tigray Defense Force Central Command, the Tigray Defense Force entered the town of Dessie and killed and wounded 110 fighters. There were also operations is going on in Dessie and Kambolcha. And from 15th to 16th October, Tigray Defense Force took control of Vegaltina, a strategic location in the south. In this battle, Ethiopian National Defense Force 62nd Division was destroyed by Tigray Defense Force with tanks and heavy artillery. And the Tigray Defense Force killed 115 soldiers and 110 wounded. Tigray Defense Force also repelled the Ethiopian National Defense Force attack in Chifra. Because this week, more than 1,500 fighters have been killed and more than 2,000 wounded. Tigray Defense Force destroyed 18 trucks and ammunition depots and seized a large number of weapons and firearms. They also took control of the town of Chifra, which was used by Eritrean and Ethiopian army as a military basis. Because on the other hand, heavy fighting is going on in the Chifra and its surrounding areas between government forces, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force. Tigray forces say they are in control of Chifra town, saying the fighting has reached the Mille area and other areas in the Afar region. And Tigray Defense Force successfully repelled the attack carried out by Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies on Chifra today. But still, war is going on and situation is out of control. Because the Oromo Liberation Army says it has taken control of new areas in northern Shiva and Valega from federal and Oromia forces. Oromia Liberation Army, which has been conducting large-scale operations in recent days, said it was capturing more areas. Meanwhile, reports say that Oromo Liberation Army soldiers are fighting alongside Tigrayan forces in South Wollo. Although no details have been released on their entry into the Amhara region. But now many news circulating that Oromo Liberation Army soldiers are fighting alongside the Tigrayan forces in South Wollo, Amhara region. Because, however, the central government has declared the Oromo Liberation Army a terrorist organization, but instead the Oromia people are said to be strong supporters of the Oromo Liberation Army. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.